Hi, my name's Ethan Reeves. I'm the developer of Genie and founder of Ifrit Technologies. And in this video, we're going to be going over query filing. So first of all, what is query filing? Query filing is a groundbreaking new feature in Genie that allows you to pull down hundreds of articles on any topic in just minutes. When you query file, you type in keywords and then let Genie go off and search the internet for them. It searches multiple search engines, picks the best results, downloads all of the articles that shows up, and all of the articles that those articles referenced. This lets you get basically an entire subsection of the internet dedicated to the topic you're looking for, stripped down into clean, plain text, available to highlight and organize inside of Genie, and importantly, available offline, so you can always be sure you'll have the research you need. Query filing is a great way to accelerate your research process, ensure that you always have content on your topics, and get things moving. Great, so let's look at how to query file. Query filing in Genie happens from within a collection. Remember that a collection is a set of research about a specific topic. It can contain articles, cards, bills, and query filed content. Okay, let's see how to do it. In this case, we're going to be query filing for an extemp collection, but you can also query file for Congress collections and debate collections. Let's open this collection by clicking on it. Come over here. The query file tab is right up here. We can click on it. Now we're going to click this large query file button to get things started. And now we have keywords. So keywords is what Genie is actually going to go out and search the internet for. You can think of this like what you would put into a Google search, but try to keep the keywords simple and directly focused on your topic without any filler words. We have an option down here whether or not we want to download the articles we find referenced to, for instance, find primary sources and additional content. And then we also have a minimum length filter we can apply to ensure that we only get longer articles and not just clickbait. Okay, so we're going to pick Iran oil sabotage as what we want to query file. Then we're going to click the query file button and let it do its thing. So we've jumped ahead about 2 minutes and Genie is now done query filing. So let's take a look at some of the articles that were pulled in. If we take a minute to look through what we have here, we can see that we have a lot of excellent recent content from great news sources. And it's pulled 5 pages of this content in. Now, this is a fantastic way to make sure that you have a lot of articles about any topic that's happening in the news right now, if you're doing extemporaneous, about your resolution that just came up in public forum or Lincoln-Douglas debate, or to ensure that you have a bunch of excellent background information and articles that you can draw on during the round if you're competing in something like team policy. Remember, all of these articles are then available offline, and they're all synchronized with your team members. So everyone has access to all of this content. As we can see here, we have properly pulled down the article here, and it even downloaded the reference. See? Because we clicked the download references checkbox, it went ahead and downloaded the article that this article linked to. So now we have an article about a deterrent force against possible Iranian attacks. And we can just open that up right here. And that's incredibly useful and a great way to pull down as much content as you can about a specific topic. Now, the goal of query filing is not to replace the research or reading process. That's absolutely important. What this does, though, is it gives you a base of research to start and move out from, and it lets you quickly ensure that you're never going to be left without a proper citation during your rounds. A few more little things about the query filing user interface. Up here in this box, we can look at specific query filing sessions that we've had. Every time you click the query file button, it's going to download another set of content. So if we went in here and selected a different set of keywords, that new set of keywords and all the articles under it would be selectable over here. Try it out and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. We also have the ability to delete a query filed session if it was off topic or not what we're looking for. So now that you've seen how query filing works, I would encourage you to go and try it out yourself. It's a very powerful tool that can greatly accelerate your research process and help you out a lot in your competitions.